Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Select the video clip that you want to edit and hit Add to bring it into the timeline. Now let's add the green screen clip. Adjust the intensity and shadows level. Simply select your video clip and scroll point to the remove background option. Tap on it and CapCut will automatically remove the background from the clip. It's that simple. You can now add any background you will like to behind your object. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to screen using green screen and dual background in CapCut.